Adding another card to your Apple ID is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to add another card to your Apple ID. To begin, ensure you have your iPhone ready. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Locate and tap on the option for your Apple ID. Once you're in the Apple ID settings, you'll find a section labeled Payment and Shipping. Tap on it to proceed. This action will lead you to a page where you can select the type of card you want to add. You'll have the option to choose between adding a UPI, Unified Payments Interface, card or a credit/debit card. Select the appropriate option based on your preference. After selecting the card type, follow the prompts to input the necessary information for the new card. Once you've entered all the required details, your new payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. That's all there is to it. Now you have successfully added another payment card to your Apple ID. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.